Between 3 and 4 inches of rain fell quickly overnight in Dolton, making many streets and thoroughfares in the area impassable. The Public Works Department and the Fire Department were around Dolton all night and continually to ensure your safety. Some homes are experiencing flooding, but as a result of the Water Reclamation District's Thornton Reservoir and our local efforts, the flooding has not been as severe as in years past. Some think simply because they have sport utility vehicles, they can get through high-standing water. Don't make that mistake. The Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago's new Thornton Reservoir can capture up to 7.9 billion gallons of sewer overflow and rainwater. Here you can see Mayor Rogers on the ground in the neighborhoods observing flooded areas. The following streets are still closed. Do not attempt to drive through these thoroughfares.